Hi, and welcome back to Encrypted. Today we're going to be teaching you how to mine Bitcoin Cash on your mobile phone. First things first, download the AA Miner APK and install the software on your mobile or Android device. You will also need a wallet address to mine to. If you are using a mobile phone for wallets, I'd recommend using Trust Wallet to store your Bitcoin Cash, and for desktop, I'd recommend Exodus Wallet. Just be aware that Exodus charges higher fees to withdraw your Bitcoin Cash, and in order to move smaller amounts, you will need to send using the advanced parameters. Just like in the last video, we're going to use the miner command line generator and enter these fields into our AA Miner software. Using a QR code scanner and generator can speed up this process from my personal experience. After entering the fields into the generator, make sure you click out of the entry field so the command line generator updates. After copying all the information over to the AA miner, go ahead and start mining. You should submit at least one share in about 10 to 20 minutes tops. If you haven't submitted one share by then, just go double check your data and field for mistakes and then start mining again. After AA miner tells you you've submitted a share, go back to Zergpool and choose wallet from the main menu. Add your wallet address and click the submit button to view your progress so far. You can see the progress your miner is making towards a payout. Just be warned that mining on mobile may take a while before receiving a payment. From here on out, it's just a waiting game. Always check up on your miners to make sure they are still working and not overheating, and be aware of the dangers of mining with your mobile phone and possible failures that could occur. I provided links to the Bitcoin Cash's homepage, Zergpool, AA Miner APK, and the Trust Wallet app in the description below. Thank you so much for watching, and until next time, stay encrypted.